Hi everyone, I'll show you how to get your SIM card and memory card installed and removed from your Galaxy S9, as you can see on right here. So all you need just to get a pin, and then there's on the top there's a little hole right here. You stick it in all the way and your SIM card tray is gonna come out a little bit, and then you'll need to pull it out, as you can see right here. So on the bottom is gonna be your SIM card. It will show you which way to install it. It shows right here on the corner. So you go install it this way, and here's the memory card. And then stick it back in and you're installed it. And same pretty much way to remove it. You'll need to use the pin to pull it out. Stick it in the corner hard, it's gonna come out, and you pull it out and remove this stuff from the bottom. Pretty much flies out, and you can stick it back in. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up, like, and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.